Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for regular notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Now in this video I'm going to discuss one question for the students who are going to appear for their JEE Advanced examination. And I will not say this is a very important question or this is the most expected questions, because JEE Advanced test your skills, test your concept. Okay, so in JEE Advanced selective based study is not going to help you. But this is one important topic from the chapter Kinematics. So from there, I am discussing one question where acceleration is given as a function of time. Okay, so you have this type of problem wherein acceleration is a function of time, as in this question, a is the acceleration and it is a function of time as a is equal to 3 minus 2t. Okay, t is the time here. So wherever this kind of problem is there, see, acceleration, if it is a function of time, and you are asked to calculate velocity, information about velocity or displacement, so you can write acceleration as dv by dt, and this is equal to that function of time. Okay, from this you can get the value of dv. So on integrating this expression, you will get the value of velocity and all. Okay, now if information is asked about position, then this v can be replaced by dx by dt. Okay, and from that you can get the value of x on integration. So this is the main essence of this type of question. So we will apply this concept in solving this question. The question is, the acceleration of a particle moving along x direction or x axis is given by a is equal to 3 minus 2t meter per second square. At the instants t equal to 0 and t equal to 6 second, it occupies the same position. Okay, and you are asked to find two things. One is find the initial velocity and what will be the velocity at time t equal to 2 second. Okay, so first of all, see, we have acceleration given to be 3 minus 2t. So acceleration is a function of time. Okay, now acceleration can be written as dv by dt. Okay, so this can be written as dv by dt. So dv by dt is equal to 3 minus 2t. Okay, so now this can be written as dv is equal to 3 minus 2t. Okay, so this is from time 0 to t. At time t equal to 0, we don't know the velocity, so this is v naught. This is v is the velocity at time t. Okay, so this on integration becomes this is v minus v naught is equal to, this is 3t minus 2t square by 2, so 2 cancel out, so this is t square. Okay, so we have this equation for velocity. Okay, so now in the question it is given that at the instant t equal to 0 and t equal to 6 second, it is having the same position. So we have to convert this equation in velocity into equation in terms of position. Now this v is equal to v naught plus 3t minus t square. Okay, now as I told you, if from velocity you have to find position, then you have to use this concept v equal to dx by dt. So this v has to be replaced by dx by dt. So this v has to be replaced by dx by dt. So this is dx by dt is equal to v naught plus 3t minus t square. Okay, so now this is dx is equal to v naught dt plus 3t dt minus t square dt. Okay, so we have to integrate it. This is from position x naught to x time 0 to t, 0 to t, 0 to t. Okay, so this is x minus x naught is equal to v naught t plus 3t square by 2 minus t cube by 3. Okay, so now at t as given in the question, at t equal to 0 and t equal to 6 second, it occupies the same position. So let us use that condition over here. So at, if we substitute t equal to 0, for t equal to 0, this becomes 0, this becomes 0 and this becomes 0. So we have x equal to x naught. Okay, and for t is equal to 6, if we substitute, so this is x minus x naught is equal to v naught into t. T is 6, so v naught into 6 plus 3 into 6 square by 2, 6 square by 2 minus 6 cube by 3. So this is v naught 6 plus this is 6 is 36, this is 2, 18, 83, 54, this is minus this is 72. Okay, now see here it is given that at t equal to 0 x is equal to x naught. So if you use that condition over here, x equal to x naught, this becomes 0. Okay, so simplifying this, we have v naught 6 is equal to 18. So that is v naught is equal to 3 meter per second. Okay, so v naught equal to 3 meter per second means this is the initial velocity. That is first part of the question, find the initial velocity. Okay, then it is asked what will be the velocity at t equal to 2 seconds. So in this equation, v minus v naught equal to, if you use this equation, so this is v minus 3 is equal to 3 into 2 time is 2 second minus 2 square. Okay, so this is v is equal to 5 meter per second. So this is the velocity at t equal to 2 second. So this is how you have to proceed questions based on where acceleration is given as a function of time.